Alright guys, so today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on my new jump starter. I love that it's not just a jump starter. It has different features on it, and it's always nice to have an extra one in the vehicle. You never know in case of an emergency. But let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. Alright, so let's see what we have inside. So it comes in a very nice case. Instruction manual. Very nice. Let's take this out. That's nice. It's like a heavy duty one right there. Very cool. We'll show you all the perks, but let's see what else is in the case first. So you get the jumper cables for it. All cool. So for your tires, right? 'Cause it's got an air compressor as well. Type-C charger to charge it up. And then different tips, cool. So like even if you want to inflate like a basketball or anything like that, still come in handy. I just got a cold plunge and the outside's inflatable, so I could just use this. Very cool. So let's get it all hooked up and see what it looks like. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's got the big button right here. And the way you use it, so I've had some of these before. So literally you just lift this little cap off right here. And then you plug this piece in here. All right, cool. And you'll know that it's on right there. And you're literally good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug because I don't need it yet. But here's some of the other cool features. So it also comes with the light in case you get caught anywhere. So you literally just hold the light button. Bam, and there you go. It's a little light out here, but it does get pretty bright. And then last but not least, if you want to use the air compressor side, twist that on there. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit power again. And you'll see, there it is. All right, so cool. Once you get it twisted on there, you hit this button right here and see it's got a little car. We'll push it again. It's got a motorcycle, and then it's got like a bicycle. It's got a, looks like a ball right there. Yep, like a basketball. And then you could adjust the PSI manually, and then back to the car. And then look, I'll just literally hit this button, you can hear it right away. Literally good to go. Man, this thing is a huge lifesaver, so it literally can't hurt to just have this in the back of a car. Like I said, it comes in the case, so you can just put it in the bottom of the seat, keep it charged up. And the last thing that I did want to show is down here where you charge it. Right here, so here's where you charge this one, but it also has an out. So I brought another cable here. I'll plug this up. Right here. All right, and then you hook it up, and then there you go. It'll start charging any of your devices as well. So in case your phone's dying and you're in an emergency, this can charge up your phone, charging my iPad, like I said, any device that you can hook up to. So if you're looking for an awesome jump starter that also's got all the other cool features, I highly recommend this, and definitely a 10 out of 10.